Hi everyone, it's Paulai. Hey, I'm at Clark Airport and departures. My cousin and I are flying to Hong Kong. Yeah, vlogging. Not even sure if I will put this up. Anyways, let me take a video of the place. Ganda. Ayun yung boss ko. Ayan siya yung boss ko. Si Bossing. Talagang pumasa kami ng immigration. Bit-bit ko yung laptop. Ayun na yung boss ko na pumasa sa immigration. Happy siya. Happy. Happy mani. Kita. That's our boarding. There you go.
Scoot flight number 995 bound for Singapore is now on final request. May we request all Singapore bound passengers on flight.
Off to Hong Kong.
Express flight 2523, Future with Cathay Pacific flight CX5523 departing to Hong Kong. Please
Press ka,
board.
boss.
Thank you.
Fresh ay bossing. Boarding na kami. Laging. Pababa na kami. Saan na ako? Perfect. We're here. Just got here. Love it. So ayun, bibili ng ticket. Diyan bibili ng ticket. Sa loob kami nagpapay. Tapos hanapin namin yung 821 na bus. Wala pang tulog. Wasang borlogs. Diyan magtindang balot. Chula king ako. Dito na kami sasakay sa 821. Room tour. May mirror. Ito yung bathroom. May mga mirror. Maliit lang yung shower in fairness. May safe and all. TV. Tapos yung bed. Pwede akong mag-work dito. Dito sa park na tatapos. Ayun yung view. That's the view. Yan yung room namin. So yeah. This is where we're staying. Hi, welcome to my room. Busit siya. Hi guys, right outside our hotel. Ayun yung hotel namin because we ate there earlier. Dito. Taas kami.
佐敦油麻地那附近。
我知道，我是
这属于九龙吗？
是属九龙。
啊。哦，我们去拉。
This is your show. Yeah, yun. Tapos on this side, John the Curious, Lady Gaga. Guys, ang daming walkouts. Ano, si Wendy. Diba? Yung sa Squid Game eh. Ba't sa'yo? Guys, look! PVXQ. Guys, pag nakaw ata ako ng light stick eh. Lalo na to. First ever light stick. Si Baklava nandito, tsaka si Justin Bieber. Sale. Nandito kami. Ang taray nung ano nila oh. Crocs, 1K yung pangalan. Alright. Ayun, dami nakasale na shoes. Dumidin nakasale. Okay, nice. Galing kami doon. Doon kami sa other side. That's the street. Lakad-lakad with the bus. Dami-daming massage parlor dito ng paa.
Moment tayo hindi kayo magsisisigaw. Eh, kaya,
May pa-beer si boss. May Kouty ako na amoy. Kaloka. May mixwell. Just had a shower day 3. Puro clips ako now. I'm here for work. Charot. Not like Bangkok. Mas gusto ko yung breakfast options ko pag nasa Bangkok. Anyways, 7-Eleven lang ako. That's the view of where I am. And bababa kami dyan. Tapos, tawid kami sa kabila. Okay. Oh, sorry. I'm not sure why I find it easier to communicate when I'm in Bangkok. Here, it's harder when you talk to them in English. I mean, both countries don't really speak English, don't get me wrong. But in Bangkok, you can speak in sentences, but here you need to speak one word at a time, so it's easier for them to understand you. Anyways, this is where we are staying at Travel Lodge Kowloon. Yes, I'll go inside. Na nga. So naiwan tayo for today's video. Have work later. So this is the outfit. Just going out to buy lunch. Probably fast food kasi hindi natin alam i-translate yung menu. So yeah. Ayan. Mainit sa labas eh. Let's explore. It's a nice place. Guys, sorry na. I'm still walking. May nakita akong parang church, kaya lang hindi ko alam kung paano papasukin, so I did not push through it. But this is how it looks like. Cute. Yes, I'm back. Sorry na. Dami kong cuts, I feel like. Food is good. Kaya lang nagtitipid na tayo. Also, feeling ko na-scam kami last time. Kasi, not sure if you could hear me. Anyways, na-scam kami last time kasi yung kinainan namin. Tapos sa 300 plus. Tapos parang chow fine lang siya and one meat na ulam. Tapos nasa almost 400 yung binayaran namin. Pero every time we go out at night, kapag kasama namin si Big Boss, yung boss ng cousin ko na Chinese, yung food na ino-order namin, nasa 280 lang. Tapos sobrang dami. Well, safest is fast food. So I have options. Pwede akong mag-McDo or mag-Jollibee. Ayan si McDo. Dun sa other side yung Jollibee. So I think, check ko muna yung McDo. And then, I'll check on Jollibee. Change of plans. I didn't do McDonald's kasi sobrang daming tao. Like, a lot. May spa pala dito, Windsor. So, ayun, Jollibee tayo. Jollibee. Sorry, just updated now. Bumili ako na no. Tapos, bumili ako na juice. Tapos, ayan. Xiaolong bao. Nainit ko. It's hot. Tsaka, ito. Shrimp. That's for dinner. Okay. So, kanina diba dapat magpa-fast food ako? Kaya lang, di na ako natuloy kasi they don't accept cash. Or tonta lang ako na hindi ako nakapagtanong if they accept cash. Nahihiya kasi ako. Tapos, bumalik na lang ako sa my hotel. Tapos natulog. Kasi I have work later. So, ayun. Went back to the hotel. And then, ngayon pa lang ako lumabas ulit. May church talaga dito. Hello po. Bless our day. Bless my day. Bless my work. Bless the people that I work with. I hope that it's gonna be a great day today. So this is Hong Kong. Ayan, I'm just walking. Wait, I'll take a video muna ng vertical. So ayan, I'm done taking a video. Feeling ko hindi na ako makakatawid. Anyways, I'm looking for a place where I could eat. So I saw this place, so I'm not sure if I could stay there. I'll move over there. Done, sa may park na yan. So ayun, tumawid na ako. Pasok muna tayo sa may park so I could eat. So nasa loob na ako ng park. This is my view. This is where I eat early dinner. Ayan, because I have work later. Yeah, I love it. Anyways, so backstory. Today is Monday na kasi, and I can't commit myself for a whole day event or a whole day thing, a whole day itinerary. But I felt like this was the day that we would do Disneyland. Sadly, hindi ako nakasama. Oh well, if it's not meant for you, it's not meant for you. The mere fact that I am here for free, wala akong ginastos, I'm really happy. I'm wearing the same clothes that I wore papunta dito. Kasi tinamad na ako, kakagising ko lang. Ayun, let's eat. O, diba? Ang bilis ng transition. Anyways, my ate nilalamig. My ate called me and said na on the way home na ata sila or nasa kabilang room, I'm not really sure. She's looking for me. So sabi ko, I'll come back na lang. Kasi, dalawang kanto lang naman yung layo nung park na pinagtambayan ko. Doon dapat talaga ako kakain while looking at Hong Kong. Anyways, when I checked on the video that I took of me eating, yun yung moment na tumawag siya kaya na-cut pala yung video. So this is something that I got. Kala ko masarap. I mean, it's okay. $12 Hong Kong dollars. Tapos, ito na lang natira, Xiaolong Bao. Mas masarap yung yung isa na binili ko. Yung shrimp na dumplings. Okay din naman to, pero mas okay yun. So, kung talaga nagtitipid ka, ang dami-dami din pala talagang mabibili sa 7-Eleven na mura. Like Bangkok. Like in Bangkok. Ayun lang. Share ko lang. Hope you're having a great day. It's Monday. Have work later. Ayun. Bye. Hi everyone. So we're going home na today. Later at 3. Just woke up. Wala na kaming ginawa for the past, personally, wala na akong ginawa for the past 2 days. This is what I'm wearing. La curvy. Yung tiyan ko. Okay. I've packed my bags. Sorry for the trash. And then I'm currently watching The Poor Traveler. Ayan. Trying to study my option in returning here. Normally when I travel with my best friend, so as I've mentioned, normally when I travel with my best friend, we always travel for like 8 days, 7 nights, ganon. But after reviewing how much it will cost us to stay on a hotel like this, Travelodge, mahal pala niya. So I think if I would plan for a trip for us, baka mag 5 days kami, 4 nights. Same with how we went here, with my cousin and her boss. So parang ganon. And then I'll just think about how we can plan great attractions like Disneyland and other places, siguro. That's why I need to study and check our options. Because I really promised myself that I'll come back here and visit Disneyland for sure. Ayun lang naman. It's just a quick update. I would still work, and then probably clock out later before I or before we check out of the hotel. So ayun. Thank you for joining me. I might not have a closing spiel for this video. I'm just dropping a lot of videos that I took during my trip. Again, no edit, all raw. Ganun na lang siya. Again, I'm just doing this for me. So, Pio, nalibre ka ng Hong Kong trip. Who would have thought, di ba? From Balot to Hong Kong. Ayun lang. Thank you. Bye-bye. Okay po, pauwi na yung mga pabebe girls. Going home. Guys, may Pop Mart. May Baby Molly. Ay, oh. Ito yung gusto ko eh. Sa Bangkok na lang ako bibili. Cute. Cute din to. Sadly, sarado sila. Ano akong pakiram pa ng kabayan channel eh. Tayo picture ng ka ba makalawi ka, Ken? Uwian na. In fairness, ang bait ng immigration dito. Yun nga lang, hindi sila nag-smile. Hindi uso sa kanila yung smile. Tay, kumusta naman yung experience mo dito, te?
Okay naman.
Ayaw mo? Hindi ka na uulit?
Uulit.
Uulit ng solo trip.
Yeah.
Charis. See you next time, Hong Kong. Bye. Itsura ng mga naligaw. Ayun o. Ay, fresh pa din naman pala. Kahit naligaw. Fresh. Fresh pa din.
Tapos may trap po, 3 and 5. Sige, diretso.